Good morning, students, or good afternoon, or good evening, whatever the time according to you. Again, I am here to discuss one model answer of round 5, Natural Language of Maths 1, and topic is very interesting, easy, scoring that you know. It is probability. So, without going for other introductory part, let's start with the discussion on model answer. Question number 1, it is solve multiple choice questions. Select proper alternative. First is a die is rolled. What is the probability that the number appearing on upper face is less than 3? Now you know when a die is rolled, total outcomes are 6. These are numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now how many outcomes are less than 3? Naturally 2, 1 and 2. And hence the total outcomes are 2. So the probability will be 2 upon 6 and that is 1 by 3. So option number B 1 by 3. Second is if n of s is equal to 12 and p of a is 2 by 3, then n of a, you know formula, p of a is equal to n of a upon n of s. So 2 by 3 is equal to n of a upon 12. So just simple simplification, you will get n of a is equal to 8. That is option number C. Second is complete the following activity. A card is drawn from a well shuffled pack of 52 playing cards. Find the probability of each event the card is drawn is. The card drawn is a red card or a face card separately. So you know when a single card is drawn from a well shuffled pack of 52 playing cards, so total number of sample points in sample space is 52. So n of s is equal to 52. Now the event is the card drawn is a red card. So total number of red cards are 13 diamond and 13 heart. So total is 26. So n of a will be 26. So naturally p of a is equal to n of a upon n of s, that is equal to 26 upon 52 is equal to 1 by 2. If I go for event B, that the card drawn is a face card. So in each suit of 13 cards, there are 3 face cards, Jack, Queen and King, that you know. So total number of face card in 4 suite, that is in the pack of 52 cards, will be 12. 3 4 are 12. So n of B is equal to 12. That gives P of B, it should be P of B. P of B is equal to n of B upon n of S, that gives 12 upon 52 is equal to 3 upon 13. You know how to reshuffle accordingly, that you know. Now coming to question number 3, solve the following questions. 2 mark each. So first is write sample space S and number of sample points n of S. Also write the event in set form and write the sample points for the event. Means everything you have to write. It is simple. Experiment given is random experiment. 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. You know when 3 coins are tossed simultaneously, the possible outcomes are HHH, HST, HTH, HTT, THH, TST, TTH and TTT. Total outcomes are 8. So n of s is equal to 8. Now our event is getting at least 2 heads. So getting at least 2 heads means not less than 2 heads required. So one head will not, or the outcome having only one head will not be okay here. It will be not included here. Only the outcome having either 2 heads or 3 heads will be included here. So we are getting or we are having the sample points in this event A, E, R, HHH, HHT, HTH and THH. So number of sample points are 4. Simple. Khatam. 2 mark. Half half half. चारों पॉइंट में हाफ हाफ मार्क. सेकंड में आते हैं. A letter is chosen at random from the letters of the word assassination. find the probability that the letter chosen is a vowel. So first of all, write sample space. Means a set containing all the letters present in the word assassination. And these letters are A, S, I. Here we are not going to repeat the letters. So A, S, I, N, T, O and N. So total number of letters are 7. So N of S is equal to 7. Now event A is the letter chosen is a vowel. So out of 7 letters present here, how many are vowels? You can identify it very clearly. And these are vowels are A, I and O. So total number of sample points in the event A are 3. And now to get the probability, it is n of A upon n of S, and n of A upon n of S is equal to 3 by 7. So that is not given here, but you can understood and you have to write it. P of A you have to find according to the question. Now coming to question number 4, it is of 3 marks. From 3 men and 2 women, environment committee of 2 person is to be formed. So total number of persons are 6, 2 men and 2 women. And committee of only 2 person is to be formed. Find the probability of the following events. Number 1 is there must be at least one woman member, and second is one man, one woman committee to be formed. So let us see one by one. So let us take M1, M2, M3 as 3 men and W1, W2 as 2 women. Sorry, 3 men and 2 women, total 5 members. So out of these 5 members, how many committees can be formed of 2 person? These are M1 with the combination with M1 are M1, M2, M1, M3, M2, M3, M1, W1, M1, W2, M2, W1, M2, W2, M3, W1, M3, W2 and W1, W2 like that. So total number of outcomes are here 10. So total possibilities are 10. Then event A is that the committee must be having at least one woman member. Both women member can also be considered. So event A will have the sample points as M1 W1, M1 W2, M2 W1, M2 W2, M3 W1, M3 W2 and also yes W1 W2. So total number of sample points are 7. So P of A is equal to actually N of A, there is just minor printing mistake. N of A upon N of S is equal to 7 by 10. So I can say the probability of the event having that the committee having at least one woman member is 7 by 10. And second event is one man, one woman committee to be formed. So it will contain sample points like M1 W1, M2 W2, M2 W1, M2 W2, M3 W1, M3 W2 like that. And total number of outcomes are 6. So P of B is equal to N of B upon N of S, that is equal to 6 by 10 and equal to 3 by 5. So every time you have to write the answer in sentence. Here also you have to write the probability that the committee has one man and one woman is 3 by 5. Okay. Now coming to next question. Any one of the following 4 mark, somewhat lengthy or say out of the book or but related to our syllabus. This type HOTS level. So this type of question will be here. Somewhat twisted and will need some understanding like that. So first is a 2-digit number is to be formed from the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Repetition of the digits is allowed. This is important here. The repetition of digits are allowed. That means the number 11, 22, 33, 44 will be allowed. So number of sample points will increase in sample space. Find the probability that the number so formed is the number formed is a maybe prime number, second is multiple of 4 and third is multiple of 11. So sample space containing sample points here, because zero starting number will not be there like 0, 1, 0, 2, because we need 2-digit number. So our number will start from 10, 1, 0. So sample points in the sample space will be 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 20, then with 2, 21, 22, 23, 24, with 3, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, with 4, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. So total number of sample points are 20. So let A be the event that the number so formed is a prime number. So identify the prime numbers, and here are 11, 13, 23, 31, 41, 43. These are the prime numbers. And how many are these? These are 6. So P of A, probability of event A will be n of A upon n of S, 6 upon 20, that gives 3 upon 10. For second event, that is the number should be multiple of 4. So the numbers multiple of 4 are 12, 20, 24, 32, 40 and 44. So 6 numbers again. So P of B is also equal to 6 upon 10, that is 3 by 5. Sorry, 6 upon 20, that is 3 by 10. So event C is multiple of 11. So now identify the number in sample space. Which numbers are multiple of 11? So naturally these are 11, 22, 33 and 44. So 4 outcomes. So n of C is equal to 4. So P of C will be n of C upon n of S, that is equal to 4 upon 20. And if you simplify this 4 upon 20, it will give us P of C is equal to 1 by 5. So finally, you have to write answer. Make it your habit to write the answers of word problems in separate sentence. This should be your habit. Finally, you have to write answer like in sentence. The probability that the number so formed is a prime number is 3 by 10. The number is multiple of 4 is 3 by 10. And for the number multiple of 11 is 1 by 5. In this way, you have to write your answer. Okay. Now, coming to second question. If two dice are rolled simultaneously, two dice, each die will have outcome 6. So, total number of outcomes 6 into 6, 36. Then find the probability of the following events that the sum of digits on upper face is at least 10. The sum digit on the upper face is 33. The digit on the first die is greater than the digit on the second die. So let's first of all write sample space. So sample space will be the numbers, the outcome like 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Then starting with 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Then starting with 3, 3, 1, 3, 2 till 3, 6. Starting with 4, starting with 5, starting with 6 and ending with 6. That is 6, 6. So total number of sample points in sample space are 36. Now the events. The first event is the sum of digits on the upper faces is at least 10. So with 1, minimum sum should be 10. 10 से ज़्यादा चलेगा. So 1 plus 6, highest number. 1 plus 6, 7, not 10. Then for 2, 2 plus 6, 8, not okay. 3 plus 6, 9. है ना? No, cannot be considered. Then 4 plus 6, 10. Yes, at least 10. कम से कम 10 होना चाहिए. तो 4, 6 एक आ जाएगा. Then 5, 5, 5, 6. Then 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. So 1, 2, 3 plus 3, 6. So total outcomes are here in sample in the event are 6. So P of A is equal to N of A upon N of S. 6 upon 36, it is 1 upon 6. Then second event. The event second is the sum of the digits on the upper faces is 33. Now you can observe from the sample space. The highest sum that we can obtain is 12. So it is not 33. It is not 33. So this will be impossible event. Event B is impossible event. So B is equal to 5 and now B 0. So as we know, the probability of impossible event is 0. So P of B is equal to 0. Now event C is that the digit on first die is greater than the digit on the second die. Digit on first die greater than the digit on second die. So this cannot be start with 1. It can be start with 2, like 2 1 एक ही आएगा, फिर 3 के साथ 3 1 3 2, 4 के साथ 4 1 4 2 4 3, 5 के साथ 5 1 5 2 5 3 5 4, with 6 6 1 6 2 6 3 6 4 6 5. So how many sample points are here? Total number of sample points are 15. So P of C is equal to 15 upon 36. Just simplifying, cancelling with 3, it gives 5 by 12. Okay. So again here I will suggest to write your answer in sentence as the language in which question is asked. Okay. Like for first, the probability of the event that the sum of digits on the upper faces is at least 10 is 1 by 6. Second आ जाएगा the probability of the event that sum of digits on the upper faces is 33 is 0, and the probability of the event that the digits on first die is greater than the digit on second die is 5 by 12. So you have to make your habit to write your answer in sentence for each and every word problem. Got it? So this is about the model answer of this chapter. So I think you got all the ideas clear with previous interaction and this interaction, that how to manage our time, how to write our answer, how to represent our solution. So with this